Hi, Jason again from BWS. In our last video, we was talking about GPR solutions kits. So basically, glue kits to do for your dent pulling, either push to paint or PDR. These are no frills kits, no large trolleys, obviously keeping the cost down. So today, looking at the GPR lifter. And what we're getting the GPR lifter kit is obviously a lifting device, handheld. So with that, you can adjust the height and everything of the center stem. The foot pad adjust inwards, outwards, and then you can also swivel the actual unit to get into where you want. With this kit, then the tabs that we use, we'll use what I'm classing as a round center tab, only small for the small dents. With the extra strong glue that we use, you'll probably find these are very inexpensive, and you may find that it takes a while to take the glue off on these smaller ones, but you will get a very, very good pull with the glue on these. So these are priced that they can be a consumable that you can either clean or do one-time use. It's entirely up to you. In the other kits, what we've got then as well is several different tab sizes. So the different circles. So if you've got a larger dent, you put your largest one over it, you get to a high spot, and then start tapping around the high spot. Then you go down the sizes, etc., etc. And then in the other packet, you've then got like your crease tabs. So more of a rectangle crease tab, all in various sizes. So you're getting the 3 packet of tabs, and then you also get an adapter. So all you would do with your adapter is physically swap it from the one where it's got the end stop, and you'd swap it to the one that goes all the way through. So that's the GPR lifter.